Here is the explanation. Startups are newly established companies as early-stage organizations that have different characteristics from mature organizations which focus on monetizing ideas. Startup companies are companies in the early stage of their operation from GURL. Startups in the food and beverage sector are still one of the promising business, especially in the midst of the development of the digital economy. The number of food and beverage business increasing from year to year. Maintaining a food and beverage business is not easy. Before that, I will discuss the problem in the company. Startup companies in the food and beverage industry face the major problem of high failure rates, which account for about 90% of total sales. Some of the causes of these failure rates include error in product pricing, inaccurate cost estimate, lack of capital, and mismatch with market needs. In addition, management issues such as lack of experience and the right team also lead to failure. Several key factors can cause startup companies, especially in the food and beverage industry, to fail. Here an explanation. Poor cost estimation. Inaccuracies in the calculation of production and operational costs can lead to serious financial problems such as lack of capital for operation. Mismatch with market needs. Low demand can be caused by products that do not meet the need or preference of the market, impacting sales and business sustainability. External factors. Startup success can also be affected by intense competition and changes in customer preference. What is the solution? Point number 1, conduct market research to determine prices that are competitive and in line with product costs. Using flexible pricing strategies can help maximize profit and prevent loss. And point 2, by developing realistic financial projections that account for all costs, including unexpected costs. This also includes good capital management to ensure operational continuity. Point 3, analyze customer needs and preference to ensure that the product offered meet market demands. This can be done through survey, focus group discussion, or product testing. Next, ensure that the team assembled has the necessary skill and experience to run the business. Training and development of the team is also important to improve performance. And next, develop a strong business network to obtain market information, finding search, and opportunities for collaboration. A strong network can increase efficiency and improve access to research. And next, to adapt quickly to change. Look at your competitors and market trends regularly. This includes creating new products and using effective marketing strategies. Startup can increase the probability of success and reduce the probability of failure by following the steps described. The most influential factor for failure is financial issue. With an emphasis on pricing irresponsibility, mispricing often occurs because prices are set too low to compete, resulting in inefficient operating costs and potential loss. Other financial issues include processing raw materials at high price and not accounting for unexpected costs. Which economic strategy or development strategy or combination of economic and development strategy will the company adopt to make the change? The strategy that will be adopted to carry out new development of this food and beverage startup is a combination strategy of economy and development strategies. Food and beverage startups can use a strategy that combines development and economics. This method combines effective financial management with prioritizing products innovation and market development. 1. Financial management. Startups have to set the right product price so that they can compete in the market without losing money. Startups must set the right product price so that they can compete in the market without losing money. Mistakes in pricing can lead to significant financial problems such as insufficient operational costs and possible loss. 2. Product innovation and development. In addition to financial concerns, it is important for startups to constantly develop new products and fulfill customer desires. In addition to financial concerns, it is important for startups to continuously develop new products and fulfill customer desires. 3. Customer satisfaction and business model. Success depends on a strong business model and knowledge of customer needs. Startups must be able to adjust to market changes and ensure that the goods they sell meet consumer expectations. 4. Teamwork and networking. Startup success is also influenced by a competent team and a wide network. A solid team can increase productivity and cooperation, while an extensive network can help obtain market information and business opportunities. Startup can meet the changing needs and preference of consumer by maximizing profit by combining these two elements by utilizing market analysis to develop relevant products and managing costs effectively to increase profitability. This approach allows business to remain competitive in an ever-changing market. What is the readiness for change assessed by the condition of the need for change, leadership and direction, and planning? Readiness for change assessed by the condition of the need for change. A food and beverage startup can be judged by three main factors: the necessary state of change, direction and leadership, and planning. Here is the explanation. 1. Condition need for change. The conditions that dictate that change must be made are critical to determining how urgent the change is. For startup, the high failure rate, about 90% for food and beverage startups, indicates that change and innovation are critical. For example, error in pricing and lack of understanding of market needs indicate that change in product and business strategies are critical to the survival and growth of the company. Next to leadership and direction. Change requires strong leadership and clear direction. Leaders must not only be able to communicate the purpose and vision of the change to the team, but must also provide the support needed to execute it. Effective leadership can help team work better together and face challenges in startup, where teams are typically small and fickle. Team leaders should also be able to spot and overcome resistance to change. And 3. Planning. To make change Overall, careful planning is required. This includes creating a clearly strategy, setting measurable goals, and properly organizing research. For startups, planning should include conducting market analysis to find out what consumer and the right business model. In addition, to prepare for early mitigation, planning should consider risks and issues that might arise during the change process. Overall, startups in the food and beverage industry can be assessed to be ready for change by having a clear understanding to what change entails, effective leadership, and careful planning. By doing these three things, companies can increase their chance of succeeding in the face of challenge in a competitive market. From the readiness for change, what steps should startup companies take? Success change possible, or no urgency and no action, or never leave the start, or false start and wrong direction? The change readiness analysis describe early suggests that startup companies in the food and beverage industry should make successful change. This indicates that there is potential to make successful change, but companies must take appropriate action to ensure success. 1. Condition of need for change. There is a need to adapt and innovate due to the high failure rate of startups in the food and beverage industry, around 90%. As a result, companies must realize the importance of making change if they want to survive and thrive. And 2. Strong leadership. To direct the team in the face of change, the leader must be able to communicate the vision and purpose of the change and provide the necessary support to implement it. And 3. Careful planning. Companies should prepare carefully, which includes creating a proper business model and conducting a market analysis. This will help in determining the specific action required to achieve the change objective. And 4. Implementation and evaluation. After planning, the company must implement the change properly and conduct periodic evaluation to ensure that the changes go according to plan and produce the expected result. Startup companies can take this action to increase their chance of success in a competitive market and reduce the risk of failure. To ensure the success of change in food and beverage startup, this may be the right action that can be taken. 1. Conduct an in-depth analysis to find failure, such as error in pricing and lack of understanding of market needs. And 2. Set a clear goal and vision for the change. This will provide a strong direction for the whole group and help in understanding the purpose of the change. And 3. Leaders must actively direct the team, assist, and deal with change. Effective leadership can improve teamwork and motivation. And 4. Create a strategic plan that includes market analysis, product development, and optimal pricing. This plan should include concrete action and an appropriate division of research. 5. Make the change according to the plan. Provide the team with training to ensure they have the skill and knowledge needed to support the change. and seek to ensure that the chains deliver the expected result. Conduct regular monitoring that includes performance measurement and customer feedback. And 7, if monitoring results show that something is not working as planned, make the necessary changes to improve the effectiveness of the strategy. Startup can take this action to increase their chance of success in the face of challenge in a competitive market, and also to reduce the rise of failure. So that all the exposure related to startup companies regarding the problems of losses and their solution, economic and development strategy, and readiness for change that startup companies must make. Thank you and see you. Bye bye.